In this video, we're going to show you how to install the GBX MFG Polar Series transfer case shift knob. First, you're going to pop off the boot. Give it a nice little tug, it'll pop right off. Next, pull it up, get your T25 Torx bit, and loosen her. Doesn't take much, not a lot of power. That's why we're just using a ratchet. No power tools needed for this one. And pop it off. Alright, so next we're going to make sure that that T25 screw is loosened just enough to let that shift knob pop out of there. This one's not the easiest thing to do. You're going to loosen it. I leave it in there so you don't lose it. You could take it all the way out and put it to the side, but you're going to watch me here. I'm going to tug on it quite a few times and it finally pops out of there. Just takes a little bit of finesse, a little bit of strength. You can see it's going. I loosen it and yeah, it just tends to pop right off. Always make sure that that transfer case knob boot is pushed out of the way, so when we put our new knob in here, we don't pinch it in any way. You'll thank me later on that one. You do not want to pinch it because you take it back apart and make sure that everything's free. So we triple check it all and make sure it's good. And the next step is pretty simple. You're going to want to take your T25 again and tighten it to where that screw is just through the knob. You'll see, I'm going to go ahead and show you. You want the screw just showing through the knob. So this one we're not going to rush. Tighten it up, and right there you can see the head of the screw is coming right through there. Now here's the trick. We're doing this because when we're about to slide it onto this shift lever, you're going to see that it's got to line up the hole that the screw's got to go into. So we get it right in place, almost ready. And then we just kick it back just a hair, just loosen it, pop it where it's just about to go on, line up that screw with the hole, and tighten her down. It's really that simple and straightforward. Tighten it. You don't have to go hammering down, just nice and tight. I like to triple check stuff because it's easy to forget a step. But slide that shift boot down, pop her back in place, and call it a day. Go and enjoy your new shift knob.